you so much for inviting me to this conference. My name is Jesper Boysen. At the moment I'm working at the Danish Cultural Institute. It is a Danish-based international organization which promotes cultural dialogue, cultural exchange, promoting also of course Danish culture. And we have different institutes in several countries. Unfortunately, we don't have an institute in Africa yet, but maybe in the future that would be a reality. Besides, I have worked for many years in the Nordic cultural system, and I've been working with culture in many ways. I was working at an NGO organization called the Nordic Association, which is sort of the people's organization in the Nordic countries. I know all the potentials of the NGOs, but I'll come back to that. Last year, I was so lucky to be part of developing an initiative called the African Denmark Rally. It was initiated by Mr. Aziz Fall from Senegal, and the project was hosted by the Danish Cultural Institute. And actually it was a very simple initiative. How could we use culture as a vehicle for developing dialogue and cultural exchange and so on? And how can we use culture as a tool for developing network, for developing contacts and so on? And in the end, of course, how can we use culture as a tool for making jobs, for making development on all sort of different fields? We started trying to set up a simple cultural events. We started off trying to get funding for our activities and so on. And actually the goal was not just to make another cultural event, because in the Nordic countries there's a lot of African cultural events going on. It has been going on for many years. We didn't want to make just another cultural event. What was important for us was the process, because through the process we had the possibility to develop our contacts. Actually, this cultural event, made us, put us in a position where we could talk to people, and that's important. We could make contacts. We could have meetings. So that was actually the point. And we had to talk to cultural innovators, cultural entrepreneurs, but we also had to make contacts to all sort of sponsors and so on. And through these contacts, through these meetings and so on, we certainly developed our network. And that would actually be my message, if you want to develop and establish the African Diaspora Organization. First of all, it sounds very simple. You have to talk together. You have to have a dialogue. And secondly, you have to work together on something. I mean, it's difficult just to create jobs out of the blue. You have to sort of make the context first. You have to make friends. You have to establish confidence to your partners and so on. And in that sense, working on culture is very useful because it, as I said, it makes you establish your contacts. And that's in my point of view, the crucial point. I mean, culture and working on cultural projects could be the point of departure for doing all sort of other things. That would be my message, that perhaps, in order to establish your Nordic organization, perhaps you should try to think of how can we make a big Nordic African impact through culture. Could we make a big cultural event which is visible, which is interesting for the press, which is interesting for the audience, and is interesting for all sorts of partners. through these projects, you'll be able to make all this context that I talked about. And I think that will be possible. There are several possibilities of funding, cultural funding in the Nordic countries. There's a big network, Nordic network, which you could use in this process. It's hard to invent everything just out of the blue. Use all the existing channels, the existing networks and organization, and establish dialogue, come up with some good ideas, some good projects, projects which is simple, which is organized in a transparent way, projects which is able to include people on all sorts of levels, so you can use all this initiative and all this engagement, which I feel is in this room and which you all represent in the different countries, so you can unite and make impact. And I think that you should think of the possibilities of using culture. At least here in Denmark, African Denmark Rally was sort of I think it's not too much to say that the African Denmark sort of fostered ADDR in Denmark. I think that that would be my message to you. Think of working with culture to a certain point. And of course, there's all these related themes, you know, when the focus is on creating jobs, you know. Of course, there's extremely many possibilities in the creative industries. All these design-related jobs and things, music, and we can think of all kinds of things, even food or whatever. There's so many possibilities, and you don't need so big investments from the start, doing small things which works. And it's all connected to this process that I talked about, where you have put culture, art and culture in a focus. And I would say it's simple, and usually people can gather around culture. It's simple, because culture is bringing people together. It's easy. So that would be my message to you. Think of doing cultural projects as a start. Focus on the process, not just another African cultural event in the Nordic countries, but think of the process and all the possibilities which is connected to that. So that was my message for you at the first time.
Thank you.